been running around. I didn't think I missed you, now I'm feeling like a fool. It hit me like a heart attack when you finally left me, girl. I thought I never would.